for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 EcoSport in Moondust Silver with grey cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a swing gate. Fun to say, fun to drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. As well, there's a menu that you can toggle through. And I'll just get in there for you. So it's got your settings, display, trip 1. And in the center, you've got your display screen. It has your media choices of AM, FM, and MP3 player. And I just put it in reverse so that you can see the backup camera view. And then we'll just put it back into park for safety's sake. And there you have your volume and your tuner. And below that is your hazard lights. You have your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. You also have auto stop start for less idle time, traction control, and there's USB outlets on the right there. You have an automatic select shifter, and you also have a 12-volt located there. Your emergency parking brakes beside you. You have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and there's a little bin in there. You can take that right out, and it's even deeper. Off to the side is your glove compartment. You have a manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, as well as the sunglass holder, and on the passenger side you have a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup cameras below the Ford badge. You also have the ability to open up that swing gate by simply unlocking it. There's a little arrow here to let you know where it is. And there you go. Inside, it's nice and roomy and carpeted, and you also have a tonneau cover. And the other nice thing about this is you actually have a shelf. So this comes out. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Oops. And you just slide it in. There you go. So you can put it at different levels. So if you had items that you wanted to put underneath that were a little more delicate, like your eggs, you could do that and then pile things on top. And then when you're ready to close everything up, just swing it closed and then lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. So you bring down the headrest with a push of a button, and then push the tab at the top of the seat and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. You've got that tonneau cover to keep everything out of sight. On the back of the seats you have anchors to be able to put in baby seats, and then you just flip the seat back up, flip up the head, and in the center you've got an armrest with a couple of cup holders, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. Up above you have dome lighting and hooks. Trailer tow prep wiring, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.